Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, author of the book Freedom from Suffering, A Journey of Hope, and the developer of the Addiction-Free Pain Management System. Chronic pain is becoming a horrible problem in our country today. By some estimates, there's over 100 million people living with chronic pain, and nationally we're spending over $600 billion on pain management and lost productivity. There is a solution. One of my most requested conference presentations the past year or so has been Walking the Tightrope of Pain Management and Addiction. Because it's been so popular, though, I find that only 2 or 3 hours isn't enough. So on May 10th in our Sacramento Treatment and Training Office, I'm going to do a full-day version of Walking the Tightrope of Pain Management and Addiction that will help not only pain providers but also mental health providers or addiction counselors learn to collaborate and work together as an integrated team when people have chronic pain and coexisting disorders, especially addiction. In this training, I guarantee you will walk away with some valuable insights and new tools that you can start using immediately. One of the biggest requested tools is an instrument I developed on how to differentiate between the physiological and the psychological emotional components of pain, as well as a way to identify at least 25 red flags for medication problems. Please join us on May 10th. Go to our calendar on addictionfree.com and learn more and to sign up today. It'll be an exciting opportunity. I look forward to seeing you. And remember, freedom from suffering is everyone's right, but it's also a responsibility. And as a healthcare provider, I believe it's my responsibility to give my patients the very best, and I hope you will too. Thank you.